IDFC फर्स्ट बैंक रणजी ट्रॉफी ये पहला सेमीफाइनल, इसका आज यहाँ दूसरा दिन और हम हैं श्री नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम अहमदाबाद में। पहली गेंद है, आज का नया दिन है और बल्लेबाज पहली गेंद खेल रहा है। बहुत ज्यादा आप ओवर डिफेंसिव हो गए।
Oh, there it goes, wicket number. This is what they wanted. This is the kind of start they were looking for. Arjun Nagwaswala, his go-to man for the captain, Chintan Gaza. Second ball of the morning, moved away from the left-hander, and Sachin Baby will have to walk back to the hut.
Taken on the full, driven down the ground pleasantly by the left-hander. He'll get a boundary. Stroked away into the gap and he'll get a boundary.
लाजवाब स्ट्रोक, सामने की तरफ गेंद और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से दिशा दिखाई। ये बहुत बड़ी चांस चुकी। उसी के साथ अजहरुद्दीन का अर्धशतक पूरा होता हुआ जीवन दान भी मिला और एक अर्धशतक भी मिला उन्हें। और एक चौका, बैकफुट में हाथ खोलने का मौका मिला और ये बाउंड्री के उस पार जाएगी गेंद।
समय इंतजार किया और गाइड कर दिया थर्ड मैन दिशा की तरफ 4 रन के लिए। कवर ड्राइव, बाउंड्री आएगी यहां पर। मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन के बल्ले से कमाल का शॉट खेला आखिरी डिलीवरी पर।
Cut away into the gap, he'll get a boundary as well. Reaching out, but he does well, times it well. He's looking for the second, but he's got to come back. Good calling once again from Azharuddin.
और उसी बीच लंच का इशारा होता हुआ।
31 overs bowled in this session. Kerala got 87 runs for the loss of Sachin Baby's wicket. So at lunch on day 2, Kerala 293 for 5. This I will start after lunch.
नाम ही काफी है। आपको पहले ही कहा था भाई, इस नाम में ही कुछ खास बात है। मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन 91 पे पहुंच गए।
And this time deft touch behind square on the offside. That'll run away to the boundary too.
बेहतरीन।
And the left-hander finding the gap and the boundary as well. Lovely shot this.
डायरेक्टेड मिसफील्ड और अपना शतक पूरा कर लिया है यहां मोहम्मद अजहरुद्दीन ने। क्या शानदार पारी खेली है यहां अपनी टीम के लिए इस सेमीफाइनल मुकाबले में। जो तूफानों में पलते हैं वही हैं जो इतिहास बदलते हैं।
His first century of the season, and he couldn't have chosen a better occasion. Semi-final, when his side was in a bit of bother, he walked out and held the innings together, and he's constructed this innings in a fabulous fashion. Superb 100 this. Yes, he might have had his share of luck, but he made it count, which is very important. Going over the top, and he's got good hold of it. And that's cleared the rope as well. The first 6 of the innings coming. And that's come from Nizar's blade. And that 6 has also brought up his half century. Very patient knock this from the in-form left-hander. Using his feet, and he finds the gap. He'll get a boundary as well. Azharuddin. And that's the end of the 150th over as the umpire flicks the bails off to indicate that it's tea time. Kerala will be very happy because they've proceeded to 354 for 5 in the first session. 31 overs were bowled. 87 for 1 was what Kerala got. And in the second, 30 overs have been bowled. 61 without loss is what they've got. As far as the over rate is concerned, that's been maintained. 30 overs in the second session is good going.
And the good thing is that they gradually, slowly, steadily taking the game away from Gujarat. And it is, the moment he moved around the wicket, it came back.
Ball tracking, yes. Ball tracking is coming. Pitching in line, impact in line, wickets hitting. I'll let you know when you're on screen. Please stay with your original decision of out.
छठे विकेट का पतन सलमान निजार के रूप में 52 बनाए उन्होंने 355 पर 6 केरला। लीजिए पहली गेंद, बाउंड्री मिलती हुई इस युवा खिलाड़ी को। अपना पहला मैच खेलते हुए पहली बॉल पर ही बाउंड्री अर्जित की अपने लिए।
अब गैप मिल गया है। पिछली बार आपने फील्डर को ढूंढ लिया था, इस बार क्योंकि और लेट आपने खेला इसलिए उसके दाईं ओर से गेंद निकल गई। फिर गैप मिल गया यहां। अब बताइए, अगर आपने 3 फील्डर लेग साइड पे दी हैं जायसवाल, 3 फील्डर हैं, तो फिर आप इस लाइन पे कैसे गेंदबाजी कर सकते हैं?
Drifting down the leg side, and yes, this is what I was saying. All unluckily, but he nicked it, and wicketkeeper Urvil Patel made no mistake.
Beautifully struck through the offside. Azharuddin playing it on the up. The timing was absolutely magnificent. Another boundary here. Beautiful shot this from Azharuddin. Played away into the gap, and that's another boundary here.
ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर, बहुत ऑफ स्टंप के बाहर। फ्रंट फुट पे आया, सीधा खेल दिया और इंतजार किया, और आज का दिन की समाप्ति। और आज के दिन की समाप्ति के समय 418 7 विकेट के नुकसान पर केरला।
The session spanned out today. 87 for 1 in the first session of 31 overs, 61 for no loss of 30 overs, and 64 for 2 of 27 overs in the final session. So the best scoring rate was in the first session, 2.81. The Kerala dugout is delighted. It's been a marathon effort from Azharuddin. He's remained unbeaten on 149.